Welcome to noprosrc.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got the new Bright Polaris RZR, or RZR, that's what I'm calling it. And as promised, I'm going to give you a test run to see how she works in the real world. Not that fast, only rear wheel drive, so let's see what we got. So as you can see, just like the H2 Hummer, if you want to check out that video, it should be popping up right here. Not that much power whatsoever. Struggles to get up the hill, struggles to go through obstacles, but it looks good. Not enough power whatsoever. But it's a good RC for starters, kids 6 or 8 and up. The steering radius, not that great either, but again, this is a little starter RC, so it is what it is. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. And yeah, so my verdict for the Polaris RZR, RZR, whatever, by New Bright is, if I'm going on a scale of out of 5, 3, a solid 3. It can be fun, but needs more power. All-wheel drive wouldn't hurt. The turning radius needs to be better, but again, it's more along for kids. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for taking your valuable time to watch this video. And with that being said, I'm not gonna hold y'all. Y'all be easy.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.